Hey, babes, it's time for your surprise.
I'm getting a surprise.
It's time for your surprise. It's a puppy.
I don't like dogs. Oh, okay, all right. See how we doing it? I see how we doing it. I see we getting a new Kiara up in here, though. Thanks, babe. I never drove a SWV before, or whatever it's called. Hey, you guys, it's Denise, and I'm about to go downstairs because my husband said that he has a surprise for me, so I want to see what the surprise is. He knows already. It's our anniversary month, so it's not our anniversary day yet. Here I come. I don't see anything. What's up?
I looked at the security camera.
No, I covered it up.
I didn't look at the security camera. Okay, okay. All right.
Mom, looky. Ready for this?
Cool. This is for me?
Nope.
Yeah.
This is for me.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to get him tested. Like, let me see. Mom, let me see. Yes, you click this button. And it clicks.
There's a bow on it.
Your new.
Oh, cool. Thank you. Let me see how this is looking. I never drove a, what is this, a SUV? Where?
Boy, tell her got delivered.
I got delivered on the
Never
truck.
that commercial.
Oh,
Mom,
my
look
stomach.
in the back. Look in the back. You see? There's 2 seats.
Ooh.
Maybe I sit in it. Click this button. If we get a baby comes out. If we get a baby, click, hold that button, and put this down. You can have that cup.
Okay.
Can you, Martin, they said there's something maybe. You can call people too. And you can, and there's a charger behind here.
That's cool. Thank you.
Can I have that cup?
I don't know yet.
Then I can test drive it.
You want to take it for a spin?
Yeah. Let me see what's going on in here. Move.
Can I have my car keys?
No.
Wait, I'm just holding it.
Yeah, okay, so I got a new car and I just got done test driving it. My bow fell off in the middle of the road, so I had to go get my bow. But overall, it's a pretty cool SUV because we're gonna need 3 rows anyway for when the new baby comes. So I had to go get my bow, and it's a 2017, so it's kind of new still, which is cool. And it's my new Kiara, or little SUV. So I gotta park it in the garage next to my other car. And then maybe probably take it out on another ride later.